So, good morning. We are at Residencial Duquesa, phase 1, and we're looking at a top floor apartment with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's a very sunny spot. It's about 12 o'clock and we've got full-on sun here. So we have a little dining table for outside eating. Inside you have the lounge living room with another dining table, or with leather furniture. Shutters. All the apartments come with air conditioning, hot and cold. And there's a garage space included, which is just underneath the building. Kitchen comes fully furnished with fridge, freezer, and behind that little glass door we have the laundry, which is washing machine, boiler. Here we have the dishwasher, oven, hob, fan extractor. It's ready to come for a long stay. They come fully furnished, fully equipped properties. Now we're going to enter the master bedroom. Double bed. Very sunny and shiny. Nice light furniture. Built-in wardrobes. Air conditioning again. Bathroom. The master bathroom has a bathtub, and the guest bathroom has a shower screen, as you can see, and mainly used by the guest bedroom. So guest bedroom with 2 single beds, Juliet balcony that enjoys the afternoon sun, and also again built-in wardrobes. Properties are perfect for summer stay, as you are walking distance to everything here in the area. You're 10 minutes from Puerto de La Duquesa, 3 minutes from the nearest shops and restaurants. The beach is about 600 meters away from here. And you've got the overpass over the main road. This is the nearest pool, but in this area we've got 4 pools and paddle tennis courts. To use the paddle tennis courts, you only have to ask for an appointment at the concierge services. Now, always a pool open all year around, and you can swim because it really has been a very good winter, very hot, 25 degrees as a average heat, I would say. Well, feel free to get back to us. I'm going to put the link below for more pictures, and if you're going to want to stay longer periods of time in the winter time, just let us know and we'll give you a budget. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.